So here I am in the login screen. I'm going to enter in my email address, followed by login with email link. Now I am in the platform. I'll click Get Started and select my topics of interest. So I will select this one, that one, then click Finish. Then Enable Notifications. This is strictly for this platform, so you might have to click Allow and get permission. Now to the left-hand side, Program Schedule, and then I will go to Full Schedule. You can refine, so there's this refine button, and you can also select the magnifying glass and search by specific title names. To the right hand side of that, there's a subscribe button, which you can subscribe and link your respective registered schedule items to your Outlook or Google Calendar. Virtual Networking Best Practices Workshop. You'll see a bio, speakers. I'm going to register for this session. Join online session appears, meeting details appears, and any resources connected with this session will then show up. Going back to full schedule. Now I just remove something from my schedule, and then it will disappear from my schedule. But let's see, I will go ahead and register for that specific schedule item, go to my schedule, and then it will appear right here, along with any other filler sessions, breaks, things like that will also be appearing right there as well. So now we're done with the schedule portion. We will go down to attendees and networking and start with attendees. Any interests are going to be appearing right here. So looping back to that first pop-up when you logged into the platform and selecting any interests of yours. For the sake of this example, I will connect with ACC Information Center. And you can connect with any person here in this platform. Next, connections. I am already connected with Ashley. So as you can see, there's a green dot indicating that Ashley is currently online. I can message Ashley, send a quick message. This is a completely private direct message between Ashley and I. Send, and then if you wanted to send someone a GIF, send this dog, send message, exit out of that. This is the messaging bubble. So as you can see, there's direct messages and there's also messaging channels. It's going to be living to the right-hand side of the platform. If you wanted to start a video chat or even send someone an email, those two buttons are going to be there upon connecting. Networking groups, this one is specific for introverts. So if I wanted to join that, I would click Join Group, and then I can see who is also in that group. You could open up a messaging channel. So this is specifically for anyone who is a part of this group. Again, that right-hand side bubble, options, you could view details, edit, even copy the share URL link. If you want to create your own group, you need a group name. You could enable video calling, then select if this is either public or private. So pizza lovers, I'm going to enable video calling, and then add people. So that's for attendees and networking groups. Next is our speakers tab. So I will click into the first profile here, Randy. Randy's profile has a bio. You will see any respective social media and networking links right there. So there's a LinkedIn, and then schedule items that the specific speaker is connected to, and then any resources that that speaker might have for their page. Next are sponsor partners, categorized by either law firm or legal service providers. I will click into the ACC page. There is a bio again, any websites, social media platforms. If you would like to meet with a specific company, request appointment button. Any people that are connected with this specific page, join the conversation would enable a chat, and then any resources. This resource is going to open up to a new website in a new tab. So that is it for sponsor partners. Next, there is a career development page, which has its own specific tab. So it's going to be right underneath sponsor partners, then CLE-CPD. There's some FAQs, and then information by jurisdiction. These are both websites, so upon clicking them, it will launch a new tab. Next, we have all course materials, which is going to have all of the course materials housed in one spot. And same thing with the on-demand learning paths. Those are also going to be a hub. Underneath that is submitting your feedback for any specific sessions that you attend. It's going to launch a new tab. And then there's a list of any feedback forms, the dates, and then the name of the sessions. We have our social feed tab. This is where you will create any posts. You can engage with other posts, like, comment. I am going to create a post. Let me add a GIF. Then add a quick note or message. This is going to be public, so all attendees and speakers will be able to see this post if they click on the social feed. By selecting the @mention, you can add attendees, materials, or even highlight specific schedule items. I will post, and then if I scroll to the bottom, down here in the left-hand corner, there is a heart, which indicates a like, and then right next to it, you can comment. So I can write a comment out, you can @mention someone, add a photo, again, add a GIF, then keep the conversation going. You can then reply to any comments that are underneath these social posts. Then last, we have our compete menu item, competitions, then overall leaderboard. So we have our description of all of the prizes, and also how you can earn points throughout the platform, ranging from 75 points all the way down to 1 point. So created an appointment with a sponsor partner all the way to registering for any schedule item. Leaderboard will show you how many points each attendee has, and it will even get as granular as showing you how the attendees earned the points if you click on their profile.